So I want to make a quick video showing you a new toy I got here. It's a wireless microphone system. You can see it's not terribly expensive at $55, and it comes with everything seen in the picture here. The wireless receiver here that you plug into your computer, and it comes with an adapter so it fits in a normal microphone jack on your computer. It comes with the transceiver that you plug the microphone into, and they give you both a headset and a lavalier microphone. I'm using the lavalier microphone right now. Let me just show that to you. All right, so I've got the lavalier microphone here clipped to my shirt, and then I've got it plugged into the transceiver here. The transceiver just has a little little USB port to charge it on the bottom and a little power button on top. And then you can just throw this thing in your pocket. So, or you could, if you wanted to hide the cord, you could of course thread it through your shirt, and you could even hide the microphone if that's something you want to do. And so the reason that I like this is because it allows you to move around. So if you have a large room you need to navigate, or if you need to be facing away from the camera because you're working on someone, or anything you want to do. So you can see anywhere I go, the microphone distance to my mouth is remaining the same, so the audio quality will always be high regardless of what I'm doing. And so the lavalier microphone is nice because it's inconspicuous, but if you want a little bit better audio quality, the headset's a nice alternative. So if I throw this on here, I'm going to plug it into the transceiver. You can see that the microphone being this much closer to my mouth is really going to improve the audio quality, even though it's essentially the same microphone. Okay, so that's one way to get a little bit better audio quality if you don't mind having something on your head. The other nice thing about this transceiver is any 3.5 millimeter microphone jack will fit in there. So if you have another microphone you want to use or make wireless, you can use this to do that. So I'm just going to plug in my, I have a Zoom H1 recorder here, and so this has a really nice microphone. So if you want a handheld situation, that's something you could use it for. All right, so here's what that sounds like. Oops, I'm all tangled up here. So let me just turn off my gain and noise suppression here. All right, so you can see that this is going to give me really nice quality audio in a different form factor. And so, of course, you have this cord now dangling from your handheld microphone, so that's not ideal, but it's one option that you have. The other option, if you want wireless audio other than doing a transceiver type of situation like that, is if you already have a wireless gaming headset or you're interested in buying one, that's another option. So let me make sure mine is on here, and I'll show you what that sounds like. Oops, let me, sorry, I need to change my microphone settings here. All right, so now I'm onto my wireless headset microphone, so you can see what that sounds like. So these are just a few different options for you to consider if you need a wireless microphone application.